morning, everybody. We are here today at Rock Valley to do a presentation of our frameless glass railings. And before I start with the actual product, I want to tell a little story. A buddy of mine bought a cottage about a year ago, and in the summer he invited me to go and have a look at the cottage. So I went there. It's not really a cottage, it's more like a mansion. Absolutely stunning. We went on the deck, we looked at the beautiful views, and then he said, I'm going to go inside and get a drink for everybody. And then we sat down on the beautiful furniture, on the Muskoka chairs, and suddenly the views were gone. What happened? We were looking at a railing that had a top rail of about 3 inches thick, and that was all we saw. Hence to say he now has a frameless glass railing. We call it a view keeper instead of a view spoiler. So let's get into it. Our frameless glass, first of all, the glass is 12 millimeter thick. It's tempered, it has dubbed corners. Anybody who follows Instagram can see that we hit it with a baseball bat. I always say that. I can hit it with a baseball bat as hard as I want, and it does not break. And we now prove it on Instagram as well. And our glass comes in 3 heights, installed height of 36, 42, and 48 inch high. And each height is available in 36 different widths. You guys have this catalog, and in this catalog we also show all the widths. It starts at 7.9 inches and it ends at 72.8 inches. It's also available in millimeters. In millimeters it looks a bit more logical. Sorry, here we are. But as we do everything in inches here in Canada, it is in inches here. Even for the 72.8 inch wide pane of glass, you still only need 2 spigots, which is a big advantage. And that brings me to the spigots. Our spigots are pretty unique in the industry. They're 5 pounds. They're 2205 stainless steel. They come in 2 colors, as we can see here. All of our products are available in stainless steel and in matte black. The matte black is powder coated. And they weigh 5 pounds, which means you only need 2 spigots per 6 feet of glass, as mentioned before. Easy to install. They come with a so-called shimmy plate or adjustment plate. Any contractor that you talk to that has installed railings will say this is the easiest railings they've ever installed. You can do 100 feet in a day with 2 guys, which is unheard of in the industry. Plate goes on, should always be used for every surface. This goes on top. You have 4 adjustment screws here. You can adjust it like that. And then you put the cap on. Don't forget that part. I have forgotten that. The glass goes in. Hand tighten only. It has a distribution adjustment plate here. So the pressure is not pinpointed onto the glass. It's evenly distributed, which means you can tighten it as hard as you want. That's the actual spigot. We also have side mount spigots, which is the one here, which, as it mentions, is attached to the side of the deck or the porch or whatever it is. Not as popular in Ontario, but we do sell them a lot in all over North America. There's a lot more to it than meets the eye. If you ever want to look at it, please do, but the back right here is actually curved, so it gives you the ability to do that with it. So again, you can make sure the glass is perfectly level. And it comes with 2 shimmy plates as well. Next to that, we have all our connectors. Every connector comes in big or small, no difference in function, just in aesthetic. Obviously this is small, about 1 inch high, and this is big, about 2 inches high. That also counts for the corner connectors, and that also counts for the adjustable connectors. Any corner that's not 90 or not 180, the adjustable connector should be used. Next to that, we have the possibility of using our glass on stairs. Obviously for stairs, it's not pre-made glass, it's all custom glass. All we have to know is 3 measurements. The height, if you want to be to code, it will always be 33/5/8. The run, whatever that is, usually from nose to nose. And the angle, whatever that is, you can use an angle finder. Once we have that, we can make the stair glass as well. Stair glass should come with a cap rail or a handrail, which is required by law in Ontario. Next to that, we have fulfillment. Fulfillment of our orders can be done on 4 different ways. First one is you can pick it up at our store, which is in North Etobicoke, not too far from here. Number 2 is your customer can pick it up at our store. Happens quite a bit. Number 3, we can ship it to your store. Number 4, or we can ship it to your customer, so drop ship. That's also an option. Next to that, we have a software program. I'm not going to go into that too deep right now. I think I sent you a link to that. The software program allows you to draw your actual deck or porch or whatever it is, and from there it will spit out exactly what you need. You can email that to us and we can then send you a quote. I'm not going to go into pricing now because we're filming, but that's basically the product. Any questions, anybody?
I believe you just said that for the big connectors and small connectors and big corners and small corners, it's just aesthetic. So there's no requirement for you have to use a big in this scenario or you have to use a small in this scenario?
As long as you use one of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then on the form, I noticed it just said like middle connector or corner connector, but it didn't specify to put big or small. Is that usually just something you like a hand write in? Which
Correct.
one they prefer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Small is the default one.
Okay.
If you want big, you should tell us up front.
Okay.
Anybody else?
It's the gate packages. Is that it on the form? It just says gate package, but then underneath it asks how many. Sorry, let me just read my questions here.
So it's a good point. Let me explain gates. All 3 heights come with gates as well, the option to have a gate. It's more popular with 48 because 48 is required for swimming pools, and swimming pools you have to be able to get in, so you need a gate. That can either be a single door or a double door. For gates, there are no posts required. There is a support pane of glass and then the actual gate. In 48-inch high, the support pane of glass comes in all our sizes. In the other 2 heights, the support pane of glass only comes in 3 feet wide. They have latches. We have latches that are 180, 90, and attached to a wall as well, or a post.
Sorry, I'm just writing down what you say.
Yeah, it's all in our book as well. All our latches are in this book as well. So they're all in here. And there are in total 5 different latches.
And are the latches just for aesthetics as well, or is there an instance where you would use a wall mount versus a 90 versus a 180?
They are certainly not for aesthetics. They are for function, to keep the door locked or open, whatever you want.
In terms of which one they pick, it's based on look or based on function?
No, it's based on function, which way it opens, and if it's, so glass can be glass to glass straight, you need the straight latch. It can be glass to glass 90, you need the 90-degree latch, or it can be the latches on a post or a wall.
Okay.
So there's a lot of different options there. Yeah. My presentation was that good that there's no more questions? That's crazy. No?
Well, in terms of the glass height, is there like a more common one?
42, so installed height of 42 is sold the most, because that's sort of code as soon as the application is more than 6 feet off the ground. 48 is sold a lot for swimming pools. 36, more in the States than in Canada. 42 is the sort of the default. Yes. Yep.
The green, like the green coloring around the side of the glass, is that the temporary?
Yep. Yeah. You notice it more inside than outside. If you would see this piece outside, you wouldn't see it as much.
Okay.
But clear glass will always have a little bit of a hue to it, a green hue. Yeah, it's inevitable.
So that's the only color that it comes in?
Yeah, we only have clear glass. Low iron glass exists. We can make that as well, but there is a different price point to it. quite a,
Built that green.
quite a bit higher. Yeah.
How many side of the thickness?
How much what?
How many side of the thickness? Like the
How many different thicknesses there are?
only one.
Just 12. Yeah.
In terms of supply at your location, you stock all the sizes? Or?
We stock everything all the time. We have 3 warehouses, 2 in Quebec and 1 here. Quebec for a total of around 80,000 square feet, and here right now is about 12,000 square feet. If we don't have it here, we can have it really quick from Quebec within a few days, but that can only happen in the really busy season. For the rest of the year, everything is in stock.
And in terms of the custom stair, what turnaround time would that be?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah. Yeah.
In terms of packaging, can you buy, like, is there a minimum quantity you have to buy or it's sold by the state or?
You can come and buy 1 pane of glass.
And then how are they packaged for the drivers?
So our glass, if you just buy 1 pane, it usually has black. I had a pane, yes. So it usually comes packaged like this. It has these caps on the corners. It has cork stickers all over, so you can't put them on top of each other. And it also has plastic on the edges.
So they're laying down flat.
You can transport it like that. In our warehouse, they're all like this, they're all up. But you can transport it like that. If you have a big order and you want to ship it to a customer, we can also crate it for you.
So in terms of taking off, the best thing we do is basically like a flat bed, just wrap it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so would the pallet cover would be on a skip? So if we said we needed 10 pieces and we were going to pick up, the customer's going to pick up, you guys would put it on a pallet, or we would have to bring our own pallet?
We have blue L frames.
Okay.
You can put it on that. We can put it in a crate. There is a charge for that, $200. Or you can just put them flat wherever. In a car, pickup truck. That works as well, as long as you can strap them down. Yeah.
Those little frames,
They're free. Yeah. Because that's how we receive the glass.
How many pieces can you fit on that whole frame? Like, is it a bit?
I think it's 16. Yeah.
So those are the
It's a
best.
quite a large project.
So then you can strap that wall frame down to the truck so you don't
Correct.
bouncing